Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Where the children of Òrúnmìlà respect the octopus and the crab. Chant. Òtúrá Méjì adifa fún Òrúnmìlà, gun boro, aleyo oko ita ilegun loda fún elekba. Story. Òrúnmìlà was being pursued by a tribe of nonbelievers. He found himself harassed and cornered as he was carrying his Ifa around his waist, wrapped in a sash. He placed it at the entrance of the crab's cave to prevent Ifa from falling into the hands of the non-believers and from them discovering his secret. Òrúnmìlà continued fleeing until he reached a cliff, below which the sea stretched out. Having no other option, he threw himself off. When he fell into the sea, the octopus released its ink, darkening the water. When the non-believers approached and saw the water covered in ink, they thought it was blood and said, "There's no need to worry anymore. Òrúnmìlà died from the fall. Look at his blood." Seeing that the danger had passed, Òrúnmìlà said to the octopus, "As long as the world remains the world, neither I nor my children will ever eat you." Òrúnmìlà immediately returned to recover his Ifa. But when he arrived, he could not find it where he had left it. He began to moyuba, call the ancestors and Orishas for spiritual support, and from the cave emerged the crab, holding his Ifa in its claws and returning it to him. Our Òrúnmìlà said, "Neither I nor my children will ever eat you. To iban isu, the children of Òrúnmìlà, respect the octopus and the crab."